Hello, everyone, and welcome back to The Speak Bench. I'm Grace, and this is episode 6 of our Real English A to Z series.
Episode 6, Jack here, and episode 5 was amazing. So many of you practiced your shopping phrases in the comments. Someone wrote, "Excuse me, how much is this dream vacation? I'll take it," which made me laugh so much.
That was one of my favorite comments ever. If only we could buy dream vacations just like that.
If you haven't commented your shopping sentence yet, go back to episode 5. We are waiting for you.
But today we have a very fun episode. Jack, tell them what happened to you this morning.
Okay, so this morning I was trying to find a new coffee shop that Grace recommended. She gave me the address. I had Google Maps. I still got completely lost.
He called me 4 times.
4 times! I walked past the same bookshop 3 times thinking it was a different bookshop each time.
And that is exactly why today's episode is so important. Today we are learning how to ask for and give directions in English.
After today, I will never need to call Grace 4 times again.
Whether you are in New York, London, Sydney, or Toronto, knowing how to ask for and understand directions is one of the most practical English skills you can have.
And the tricky part isn't just asking, it's understanding the answer, because directions come fast with lots of new vocabulary.
But after today, you will understand every word. Let's start.
Curious, Grace, how do we even start? How do we stop someone on the street politely to ask for directions?
Great first question. You never just walk up to someone and say, "Where is the station?" That sounds rude in English. You always start with a polite opener.
The most common openers are "excuse me" and "sorry to bother you."
Excuse me, this is the most natural and universal. Use it anywhere, anytime, with anyone.
"Excuse me, could you help me? I'm a little lost."
Then you add, "Could you tell me how to get to," or "Do you know where the nearest is?" Or simply, "How do I get to?"
"Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?"
Sorry to bother you. Do you know where the nearest pharmacy is?
"Excuse me, how do I get to Central Park from here?"
These 3 openers, excuse me, sorry to bother you, and pardon me, are all polite and natural. Excuse me is the most common one.
And a great phrase to add is, "I think I'm a little lost." It makes you sound humble and approachable, and people are usually very happy to help.
Exactly. People love helping someone who seems a little lost. It brings out the friendly side in most people.
Now, let's learn the actual direction vocabulary. These are the words and phrases people use when giving directions.
First, the basics. Turn left, turn right, go straight ahead. These are the 3 fundamental direction instructions.
Turn left at the traffic lights. Turn right after the supermarket. Go straight ahead for 2 blocks.
Notice we say turn left and turn right, not go left or go right. Turn is the correct verb for changing direction.
You can also hear take a left and take a right. Take a left at the junction. These mean the same as turn left and turn right, but sound slightly more casual.
Now, what about when the turning is the first, second, or third one? We use ordinal numbers. Take the first left, take the second right. It's the 3rd turning on the left.
Take the first left after the traffic lights, then take the second right, and the hotel is on your left.
Fantastic! And we also use landmarks to help people navigate. A landmark is a recognizable building or place that helps you know where you are.
Turn left at the big red church. Go straight past the McDonald's. Turn right opposite the park.
Opposite means directly facing, on the other side of the road. If the park is on the left side of the road, opposite the park means on the right side, facing the park.
Other useful landmark phrases? You'll pass a supermarket on your left. You'll see a tall glass building. That's your landmark. When you reach the roundabout, take the 3rd exit.
Roundabout, a circular junction where multiple roads meet, very common in the UK and other countries.
Now, let's talk about prepositions of place, because these are essential for understanding where exactly something is.
The key prepositions for directions are next to, opposite, between, on the corner of, at the end of, in front of, behind, and across from.
The café is next to the bookshop. Next to means immediately beside something.
The pharmacy is opposite the park. Opposite means directly facing, on the other side of the road.
The bank is between the supermarket and the post office. Between means in the middle of two things.
The restaurant is on the corner of Fifth Avenue and Broadway. On the corner of, at the intersection of two streets.
The hotel is at the end of this road. At the end of, all the way to the furthest point.
The taxi stand is in front of the station. In front of, before it, facing the entrance.
These prepositions paint a picture. When someone uses them, you can visualize exactly where the place is.
Now, distance and time. How do we ask how far something is?
Two key questions. How far is it? And how long does it take to get there?
How far is it to the nearest subway station?
It's about 5 minutes walk from here, or it's roughly 2 blocks away.
And how long does it take to get there by bus?
It takes about 15 minutes by bus, or it's a 20-minute walk, but the bus takes only 5.
Notice the phrases about 5 minutes, roughly 2 blocks, around 15 minutes. About, roughly, and around all mean approximately. Native speakers rarely give exact times or distances.
You can also hear, it's not far at all, just around the corner. Or, it's quite far, I'd recommend taking the bus.
Just around the corner is a very common phrase, meaning very close, just a short distance away.
If you're finding this episode useful, please like the video and subscribe to the Speak Bench. We have 24 more episodes coming, and each one builds on the last.
And comment below. Give us directions from your home to somewhere nearby. Use today's phrases. Turn left, go straight, it's next to, you can't miss it. Show us in the comments.
Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the full role play. Grace, I am officially lost in your city. Help me.
Again, Jack?
The streets all look the same. Just help me, please.
Okay, listeners. Jack is standing in front of a big supermarket. He needs to get to the train station. Watch how this conversation unfolds.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. I'm a little lost. Could you tell me how to get to the train station from here?
Of course. Okay, so from here, go straight ahead for about 2 blocks.
Straight ahead 2 blocks. Got it.
Then turn left at the traffic lights. You'll see a big red post office on your right. You can't miss it.
Left at the traffic lights, post office on the right.
Continuing, after the post office, take the second right. The hotel will be right at the end of that road on the left side. You'll see it. It has a big blue sign.
Second right, end of the road, left side, blue sign. And how long does it take to walk there?
It's about a 10-minute walk. Or there's a bus, number 14, that stops right here and takes you there in about 4 minutes.
I think I'll walk. I could use the fresh air. Thank you so much.
No problem at all. You can't miss it. Good luck.
I did it. I asked for directions completely in English.
You did. And did everyone hear the key phrases? Excuse me, sorry to bother you, go straight ahead, turn left at the traffic lights, you can't miss it, how long does it take? You can't miss it.
You can't miss it. Such a useful, reassuring phrase. It means the place is very obvious and easy to find. You won't walk past it without seeing it.
And repeating back the directions, straight ahead 2 blocks, left at the traffic lights, that is a native speaker technique. It confirms you understood and gives the other person a chance to correct you if you got something wrong.
Brilliant point. Always repeat back directions. It shows you're paying attention and helps lock them in your memory.
Now, let's talk about transport directions. Sometimes directions involve buses, trains, or the subway.
Key transport direction phrases. Take the number 14 bus. Get off at Central Station. Take the subway line 2. Transfer at Times Square.
Take the number 14 bus and get off after 3 stops. The museum is right there when you exit.
Take the subway, line 2 going downtown. Get off at 42nd Street. Come out of exit B and you'll see the building directly in front of you.
Exit B. Subway stations often have multiple exits. Exit A, exit B, exit C. Always ask which exit to use, or you might come out on the wrong side of the street entirely.
I have come out of the wrong subway exit so many times. You end up completely backwards.
It happens to everyone. Always ask, which exit should I use?
And one more useful phrase, take the train going towards, then the end destination. Take the train going towards Grand Central. This tells you which direction on the line to board.
Or take the northbound train. Northbound, southbound, eastbound, and westbound. These tell you the direction of travel.
Now, common mistakes in direction English. Ready?
Oh, I love this part. Go ahead, Jack.
Nervous student voice. Go to left at the traffic lights.
Gentle correcting. Almost. Did you hear it?
Breaking character. Was it to left?
Yes. We say turn left, not go to left. Go to is not used with directions. The correct verb is turn. Turn left, turn right. Or take a left, take a right.
Correcting. Turn left at the traffic lights or take a left at the traffic lights.
Perfect. Try another one.
Nervous student. The station is in front the park.
Almost there. What's missing?
Thinking. Oh, the word of. In front of the park. Prepositions need that of.
Exactly. In front of, next to, on the corner of. The of is essential. Don't drop it.
Another mistake. How much time takes to walk there?
Teaching. Good one. The correct structure is how long does it take to walk there? Or how long does it take? Not how much time takes.
Correcting. How long does it take to walk there?
Much better. Now, rapid fire practice. I'll describe a location. You tell me how to get there.
Ready. Let's go.
Quick. You need to ask someone politely for directions.
Quick. Excuse me. Sorry to bother you. Could you help me? I'm a little lost.
Quick. Someone tells you to go straight ahead for 2 blocks, then turn right.
Quick. Go straight ahead for 2 blocks and then turn right. Got it.
Quick. You want to know if it's far.
Quick. How far is it? And how long does it take to walk there?
Quick. Someone says the cafe is between the bank and the bookshop.
Quick. The cafe is between the bank and the bookshop, so I look for the bank and bookshop and the cafe is in the middle. Got it.
Quick. You need to take the subway and want to know which direction.
Quick. Excuse me, which direction should I take, northbound or southbound? And which exit should I use?
Quick. Someone tells you you can't miss it.
Quick. Laughing. That means it's very obvious and easy to spot. I won't walk past it without seeing it.
Excellent. Every single answer correct, natural, and confident. That is directions English done right.
Pause the video now and try all 6 yourself out loud. Imagine you are standing on a street corner in New York. Practice saying the phrases out loud.
Your brain needs to hear your voice saying these words, not just our voices, your voice. That is what makes the language stick.
Reflexive. Grace, we have covered so much today. Polite openers, core direction vocabulary, prepositions of place, distance, and time questions.